I'm so tampo na
Lulot.
sa'yo.
Uy, ginaganyan mo si Bea, no?
Ah,
Yeah, I'm sanay na Ate Perlas.
sanay na siya sa akin. Kami ni Cutie.
Wait, I'm making kwento kay Ate Perlas.
I have a lot of chismis to you.
Really?
Dahil sa akin, like, hindi mo maakalaing yun. Yes.
How many fingers am I holding?
Are you okay, Bea? Hindi ka naman parang naka-shot.
I'm free right now. Do you
Okay
want to
lang
go to
ikaw,
the bar?
Bea?
Like we're going to drink?
Oh my God! Wait, Ate Perlas, what did you say po?
Are you okay lang naman?
Me? No, I'm going crazy. Like, I'm going crazy talaga.
Hala. Baka need mo ng kausap.
Yeah, that's why I'm on live. Sabi ko, magla-live na lang ako kasi I'm going crazy na eh. Kausap
What
ko.
happened? What happened, Bea?
Wala, may namimiss lang ako.
Ay. Sobrang OA mo.
Okay, Rat. If we're gonna labas tonight, I don't wanna go kasi yung sa lagi namin pinupuntahan. I just wanna go to a low-key bar.
Come on, let's go.
But it depends because I don't go out without a table. So, without a table, you know naman sa mga bar, di ba parang may mga table sometimes kasi...
I got you. I will pay.
No, it's not that kasi. Like table, like sometimes
Low-key lang.
it's your
Gusto niya
turn.
low-key.
Oh, it's fine. It's fine. And if you want to go in the Vaile,
It's Vaile.
like that's done.
Ate Perlas, legit question, like kay QD tsaka ka-Fuker at buti hindi ka nababaliw, no? Ako kasi honestly, nababaliw ako. Like, I thought I was crazy na, pero grabe, mas baliw
Sila yung nababaliw sa akin.
Hindi talaga.
Really?
We are value all.
Mas nababaliw sila sa akin.
Really?
Nonchalant lang ako dito, pero pag nakasama mo ako, mas mababaliw ka sa akin.
Yes. Perlas is very wild in person.
Oh, Ate Perlas, where are you from po?
Pampanga.
Pampanga.
Ay, oh my God, so layo.
Bea, what is your plan?
I'm
Pero
not
I
sure,
have
it
condo in
depends
QC.
also.
I have condo in QC naman.
Bea, I miss if I'm the one who invite you, you're not accepting and you invite me. I'm sad.
No, kasi, okay, so like, di ba,
Like just a couple of hours, like 2 hours, we're going to Chica and everything that you give.
Ano oras na?
Because I'm free right now, I'm super free.
yeah, but the thing is, I don't go out kasi without a table. So like, I'm asking my friend if there's a table. You don't need to pay for anything because I can pay for it. But the thing is, I want to go out with the table. Do you get it?
Okay, get the table.
Yeah, the thing is kasi sometimes it's always booked.
We will going to. Yes. OA.
I just wanna party kasi like a place na puro, you know, mga college student. Cause
I have a lot of Chica kasi to you. I don't want to drink, but I have a lot of Chica.
Mike got a table na. Mike
Go.
got a table.
May table siya?
I don't know. Ask him. Why did you say let's go?
Sabi ko, Gina, party na tayo.
Yeah, ask Mike if he got a table though. I'm on live. Ate Perlas, were you calling me?
No. I'm just shocked.
Why?
No, because English ka talaga sa personal, marami ka
Tagalog
mag-English.
siya.
It depends, ate. It depends on my mood. But like, I can switch.
Hindi siya.
Okay, if we meet, kapag nag-meet tayo lahat, we will bring our own table na lang on the bar. What do you
Ay.
think?
It's
Pwede
going to
naman.
be inconvenient.
Fukarat, were you here last week? Dapat pala sinama ko kayo kasi lumabas kami last week nila Blight and Danica.
You don't tell me. My God.
I
really
didn't know you were here.
No, Blight. I love you, Blight. Please. No.
Okay, Rat, saan ka pupunta?
Sa bar nga.
Which bar are you going to?
On what? Ay, nahihirapan ako sa iyo, Bea. Tagalog na lang talaga.
Saan bar ka
Tagalog na lang tayo dito, Bea ka.
Kung saan mo gusto, doon tayo mag-chika.
No, if we're going to a bar, we're not gonna make chika because we're gonna party. We're gonna
Oh my
party.
God.
Party.
Oh my God,
Kasi
Bea,
hindi ka
please, give me the
makakapag-picnic
chance.
sa bar kasi maingay.
Yes. Bea. I hate you.
You went to Yes Please, right? That's really my place. But then, I don't wanna go there tonight because may mga tinataguan akong people.
Ay. Ano ka pala? A hiding person.
Ate Pat, people are saying you're in QC.
Yeah, I have condo in QC eh.
Yes.
I mean, they're saying that you're there in QC now.
Yes.
Eh, why did you say na nasa Pampanga ka? Ayaw mo ako makita.
Akala ko, tinatanong mo kung saan ako nakaano tira, Pampanga, sinagot
Yes,
ko.
correct.
Do you wanna sama, Ate Perlas?
Tara na, te.
Oh, may lakad ako ngayon.
Ay. Okay. Bea, let's talk.
Wait, okay, let's stop.
Meron akong lakad eh, nakapag-commit na kasi ako eh.
Ate, why are you
Ay.
smiling like that?
No, it's just...
Who did you commit to?
Yeah.
No,
Stop it.
it's just me, myself, and I.
Don't ride until I die.
I died. Yeah.
Oh, ang dami yung mga commitments sa buhay, ah. Hindi ko na alam yun.
I miss you.
I miss you too. Come on, let's see each other.
Okay, let me just get a table first.
Okay. Don't worry, Bea. I have a lot of chika to you that you can... Yes. Oh my God.
Like what?
Like, you can... You never getting a dull moment to me because my
Of
mother is
course,
not...
you know what? Never. When we were together, parang never naman ako nagkaroon ng dull moment with you.
Sabi niya, Fukirat, my social battery is getting low because of you. Sobrang uwi. Ikaw na nga sa malayo, Bea. Huwag mo akong ginaganyan-ganyan, ha. I love you, Bea.
I love you.
Do you know what, Bea? This is honestly, Chares, this is an honest saying.
Ako to, okay lang.
What?
You know what, before, Bea, I'm one of your fans before.
Really?
Before,
I'm
not
your
now.
big fan, yes. And right
Not
now,
now?
Right now,
You
I'm
are-
Pukerat's fan.
yes. It's before, but right now, I'm your small fan because I'm like the
now I'm a fan of yours.
Oh, oh my God! It's so overwhelming.
Yeah, I love you, Fukarat and Ate Perlas.
And
I love
Judy.
you, we love you too. Hope na magkita-kita tayo.
Yan, di ka nang I love you, and Judy, magsaselos yun.
ng oras. Bibigyan kita ng oras talaga.
Ewan ko dyan.
Yeah.
Ika-cancel ko para sa'yo. Ganyan kita
Oras.
ka-love.
Oh my God, thank you sa nagsasend. Do you receive gift, Bea? Because,
Yeah, but
because
what
if
I
someone
do,
give gift to me and there are tough gifter, I follow them back.
no, what I do is when people give me gifts, I re-gift it to those who go live.
Also me.
sick.
Also.
Who are sick, ganon. Because I can't withdraw the gifts eh. So I just
Because you have black card.
regalo it.
Oh, can you regalo also me when I'm doing live?
No, you already have so much gifters.
Thank you so much.
People, you know, other people,
Oh.
need it. Parang nahirapan ako mag-English sa'yo, Bea. Alam mo ba? Magaling ako mag-English, pero pag ikaw kausap ko talaga, nawawala talaga ang ano
Ate,
sa
you
English.
know what?
Yeah, it's okay that this is my outfit lang.
Yeah, but it's kind of mainit. And I'm not sure pa. Kasi it depends if we have a table.
Bea, if you're not coming with me, I will get mad. I will get tampu on you.
No, because I really don't like going out without a table because I don't want to be a palaboy-laboy sa bar.
No, it's not pala.
Yeah, that's true, Bea. That's true. Much better kapag naka-book ka talaga. Kasi like, you're pagala-gala in the bar. Like,
Yeah, oh my
talaga.
God. Honestly, I really judge people who are palaboy-laboy sa bar. And then, kasi like, I swear, Ate Perlas, it's so funny talaga. Like, they don't know what to do. Nandun lang sila nakatayo. So I'm like, ano ba itong mga to? And
but
Mostly mga basketball players pa yung nakikita kong ganon.
But sometimes it's good if you are alone and you're just getting gala-gala into the bar because someone will ask you, do you want to drink and do you want to go in the... oh my God!
But the thing is though, kasi I'm so over that. Like, siguro before when I was young, sige, free. But then, right now, kasi, I can like do it na eh.
Really?
Ako naglalag ba?
Bea, come on, please. Where are you right now?
I'm in my family's house.
Where is that?
In QC.
Oh my God, it's so near.
I know.
In Pasig.
I know. I can even sundo you, but it really depends if I get a table.
Okay, get some table.
But
If you don't get, I
don't
get
worry,
you.
Bea. If we meet each other, we will bring our own tables.
Oh yes, that's the best decision.
I want a Hello Kitty table, ate, ha?
Hi. Sure. Yeah. See,
You know what? Before, I am scared of Hello Kitty.
Why?
I'm just
Bakit
scared.
No, dapat si Hello Kitty ang matakot sa'yo.
Bea, hindi ko na nga binanatan ng ganun. Ikaw bumanat.
Sana ma-edit.
Si Bea
Wow,
walang
wow.
pakialam yan kahit ma-edit siya.
Okay lang.
I don't care anymore. I'm so sanay na sa mga bashers. Like, they can... My God! Namatay
Yeah,
na
you
yung
hurt my
parents. Tapos tingin
feelings.
nyo
You
ma-hurt
hurt
nyo
my
pa ako. Anyways.
But you hurt my feelings, Bea. You said I'm...
Oh my God, I'm so sorry. Did I actually hurt your feelings?
You hurt me if you didn't get a booking, the table.
Pero, Fukirat, medyo hawig mo si Suneo. Yung tropa ni...
Oh my God! May nagsan ng gift!
Yung tropa ni Doraemon, Fukirat.
Oh,
Si
really?
Suneo. Pero, kamukha niya lang naman, di ba? Kamukha mo naman, di ba?
Wait, I actually don't know who that is. Can you search? Can I bother people?
Pinasearch mo.
Suneo. Kamukha niya lang, pero, uy, gwapo si Suneo, ha?
Yes.
Suneo? Tropa ni
Yeah.
Doraemon?
Yes,
Suneo,
tropa
ang
siya ni
babae.
Doraemon, si Suneo.
Ang babaeng uwak.
Hindi siya babae yata eh, parang boy.
I think he's a cat. Is he? Like, he's a magic cat.
Suffer.
Ate, what's the name?
Suneo or Nobita, I don't know eh. You can search Nobita, kung sino na lang yung kamukha niya, yun.
Yes. Trollales. Through the rain and through the fire, through the very heat.
Yes! Tite, pa-check ako kung naka-live pa siya.
This one, ate. Wait,
Yeah. What is your plan?
how do I switch? Eto, ate.
Bea, what is your plan?
Ay, hindi yan yung isa. Yung isa yun, yung parang yung kaaway nila lagi.
What's the name again? Sueno? Eto.
Oh.
Suneo. Sino ba yun, guys? Suneo. Yan! Di ba? Tignan mo, Fukirat.
Grabe ka, te.
Uy. Super cute ni Suneo, no?
Tato kasi, Bea. Bea,
Si
you're
Suneo, super. Bea, I'm about to leave na kasi naka-ready na sila eh. Nagre-ring na sila sa iPad. So,
Okay, bye guys. I love you all.
I
Fukirat, I'll
love you,
call you.
Bea.
I'll call you, Fukirat.
Okay.
Call me.
See you soon, Bea. Love you. Nice meeting you, Mwah. Fukirat, bye-bye. I love
Okay,
you.
I love you.
Bye-bye.
Yes.
Hindi. Aalis ako.
Oh, wait lang. Go. Bye-bye. Love you.
Go. Bye-bye. Love you.
Tougher.
Guys, alis ako kasi naka-ready na. Ako na lang magagalit na yung mga yan. Kasi parang walang... So, anong sama? Ang sasama sa pamilyang to! Look at this. I'm gonna show you something ha. Very, very fast lang. This one. suffer. Guys, baba na ako. Yan na, tumatawag na naman. Magbibis lang ako. Bye-bye. Hulaan nyo sino kasama ko. Bye, guys.